Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Bitcoin from Exmo to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets around for better security or to diversify your holdings, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and hassle-free. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Coinbase, and that you have some Bitcoin in your Exmo wallet. Always double-check that your Coinbase wallet is ready to receive funds. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw or Withdrawal section. This is usually found under your wallet overview. Once there, select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Now, you'll need your Coinbase wallet address. Go to your Coinbase app or website, find your Bitcoin wallet, and copy the address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any mix-ups. It's a string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Step 2. Back in Exmo, paste your Coinbase wallet address into the withdrawal form. You'll also need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any network fees. Bitcoin transactions typically use the blockchain, so fees can vary based on network congestion. In 2025, expect faster processing with improved tech, but still plan for it to take 10 to 30 minutes. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Once you've initiated the transfer, Step 3, monitor the transaction. You can check the status on Exmo's transaction history or use a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com by entering the transaction ID. On the Coinbase side, log in and go to your wallet to watch for the incoming funds. If everything goes smoothly, your Bitcoin should appear shortly. A few quick tips. Always use the correct network. Bitcoin transfers should be on the BTC network. Be cautious of phishing scams, and never share your private keys. By 2025, with enhanced regulations, transfers might be even more secure, but stay vigilant. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to transfer Bitcoin from Exmo to Coinbase Wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy trading.